If you are carving for Vietnamese food, it's also over here. Here we go. You can find this and the stall here with the Vietnamese food. Probably the po you can find over here, guys. This is the guy and he's making the burgers here, very famous in Kuala Lumpur, close to the Chinatown. Check this out. Class. And this is like a street stall. This is Perdana Botanical Gardens in Kuala Lumpur city center. Actually, this is area of KL Central, Museum Negara Museum. And there is huge city park inside. It's beautiful Sunday afternoon, very sunny, hot day, about 5:30. I'm gonna try to show you as much as possible from this park. However, this park is huge. I mean, without electric scooter or bicycle or something, I'm not sure if I can cover everything, but I'm gonna show you the most interesting things in this place, that's for sure. Definitely great park in the city center of Kuala Lumpur. Most of the big cities have it like this one, like equivalent of the, I don't know, Central Park in New York City or Marina-based gardens in Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. So this one is like equivalent of that, but it's really huge and really nice. I really like it. There is some live music somewhere because I can hear the voices.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone.
Actually, I'm thinking is here gonna be some special event today or something, because there are some tables and the roof is actually very nice. I don't know, actually this is like a central of the park. There's like a maybe event section. I'm not sure if it's like government owned event or you can rent this privately. However, looks very interesting for sure. Oh, I can see very nice bridge at the front.
I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
This what you saw, it was like a half hour of exploration of this park, and we're getting already hot a little bit, looking for some drinks. And well, it's 6 o'clock and more people coming for having activities in the park. That's really nice. However, it's Sunday. I don't know how it's looking during the weekday, but I have to say the park is actually really impressive. It's very clean, by the way. And on the other side of the park, you have a Fantasy Planet, which is the special playground, kids playground. Not gonna film here too much to keep a little bit of the privacy for them. However, I just wanted to show you it's actually pretty big and looks really cool.
When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home.
Alright, so now it's for me time to try ramen burger, Malaysia's famous burger, street food burgers, guys. This is the guy and he's making the burgers here, very famous in Kuala Lumpur, close to the Chinatown. Check this out. Class. And this is like a street food stall only, but the guy is doing great job. Let's see how the burgers taste like, but looks very good. This is how his stall look like. I ordered the Iron Special cheese. The sauces preparation, grilling. Let's see. This is the burger, ramen burger. You can find this on Google Map, but however, this is like a little bit street food. Some other stalls here. Over there, where is the link? There is the Petaling Street Chinatown Market. And over there, you can see the KL Tower and the Maybank. Over here, guys. Also, very interesting fact, this ramen burgers is like a small stall here, of course, right? But this is like a huge company. They even importing this meat to the different countries like in Indonesia, Cambodia, Thailand, but this is Malaysian company, so it's very interesting fact and definitely worth to try. Waiting for my burger, by the way. And you might see not many people in the queue or eating this, but however, actually he's making so many these burgers because there are so many people ordering just takeaway. So that's the serious stuff. Alright guys, my food arrived, the burger, street food burger. I'm gonna try it right now. So many people looking at me how I eat that, so so funny actually, but yeah, check this out. And the burger inside looks like this one. Very nice, very hot, very fresh. Alright, the burger was actually really nice, a little bit spicy but very nice, and everywhere here actually the stalls with the other kind of food. Like after the 6 or 7 p.m. they opening the stalls here. Normally it's the street with the shops inside the buildings, guys. So here we have a Malaysian food like campur, nasi campur, stuff like this, dishes, little bit of everything, and another one. And I passed somewhere the Indian food as well, so here we go, guys. But it's rainy, so I have to go now somewhere, find a shelter quickly. So to find a shelter, the best way is get to the Petaling Street in Chinatown. So let's make a few shots over here, guys. And in case if you are carving for Vietnamese food, it's also over here. Here we go. You can find this and the stall here with the Vietnamese food. Probably the po you can find over here, guys. Alright, and so because it's rainy, I decided I'm gonna try the po here. It's also, I try already Malaysian specialty, now it's time to try something Vietnamese. Why not, guys? And this is the small place where you can enjoy. Here we go, guys. So eventually we are in the Vietnamese what's the name of the place? Saigon Po, something like that. Met some people from Malaysia, Vietnam. This is my friend from Vancouver. We met him already once. How are you? Don't be shy, guys. There is the boss in the kitchen. Hello, hello, boss. All right, let's try the food.
Sorry,
Try and
Ruben. Yep. Nice. Thank you very much.
like in Vietnam, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.